you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am iteshamarie, and today I am going to be giving y'all some makeup content. So I'm going to be showing you guys my updated everyday makeup routine. So if you guys are interested in seeing me do my everyday makeup routine, then make sure you keep watching. Okay, so as always, I always like to make sure that I start out with primed skin, fully hydrated skin, especially right now because it is dry outside. And lately, I have been liking to use this Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched face base. My makeup looks so good on top of this. And after that, I'm gonna go in and do some color correcting around my mouth. And to do that, I'm using another Bobbi Brown product. This is their Skin Corrector Stick in the shade Very Deep Peach. If you guys watched my Sephora haul, I did include this in the haul. I have been using it since I got it and I really do love it. I like the fact that it's in a stick form and it blends out really nicely, and a little of this goes a very long way, so don't go crazy with it. Foundation today, I don't want anything full coverage, so I'm just going to use my Lip Bar Just the Tint skin conditioner. This is a black owned brand. If y'all are not familiar, y'all need to get hip. Mine is almost gone because I use it like a lot. Here we go. And I'm just gonna blend it out with this brush. This is my Morphe E63 brush. Y'all always ask me about this brush in the comments. I literally picked this up at Ulta. I'll link it down below for y'all. I love this brush. I use it every time I do my makeup. When I'm blending in my foundation, I am avoiding the areas where I'm putting my concealer because I don't want to put any foundation on that area. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I didn't put any foundation on my forehead. I'm just gonna take what's left over on my brush and just lightly go over my forehead. Now for my concealer, I am going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer. So I'm gonna go in with the lighter shade first in number 16, and I'm gonna put that right here. And then I'm gonna go in with one shade darker, which is shade number 18, and I'm gonna put it under where I put shade 16. And the reason I'm doing this is to help it blend better into my foundation. Right now I am going to take this brush. This is actually a Sonia Kashuk brush that I picked up from Target. I don't know that they still have it, but if they do, I'll link it down below. But I love the Sonia Kashuk brushes. How I blend in my concealer is I blend around the edges first. Now I'm gonna do my chin. Another trick is, if you want to make your eyes look more awake and brighter, is not to take any extra concealer, but take what's already on your brush from blending under your eye and put it right on your eyelid, and that helps your eye look more awake. Like, look at this eye compared to this one. Now I'm going to go in with my Danessa Myricks. This is the Vision Flush, and I'm using the shade Toasted Almond for my bronzer, and I'm just going to put it right here. And now I'm going to blend my nose contour. And this is another Sonia Kashuk brush. This is actually an eyeshadow brush, like a large flat eyeshadow brush, but I like it to blend the edges of my nose contour. Now I'm going to blend out my forehead where I put that bronzer. All right, now we need to mattify because we are looking very shiny. I'm actually gonna set my face in 2 steps. And the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this little Charlotte Tilbury. This is the, I don't know what this is called, Airbrush Flawless Powder, something like that. I'm using the shade Tan, which is number 3. And I'm taking this Beauty Blending Sponge, this dual-sided gel sponge type of situation. I just bought this at the Sephora sale. When I tell y'all need this, you need it. It's going to literally blur everything. The first step, like I said, I'm gonna use this Charlotte Tilbury powder and I'm just gonna rub the pink side in here. This sponge is dirty. Don't be like me and use a dirty sponge. Use a clean one. I'm gonna take that powder on my sponge. I'm gonna make sure everything is blended in again under my eye. I'm going to lightly tap this under my eyes. Okay, so you see how that mattified us. Now I'm gonna go in with the loose powder. I have so many different loose powders, but I always go to my Laura Mercier translucent powder in honey. I am going to like really set my under eye now and give it some brightness. Now while that's kind of sitting on my face, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty bronzer. I really like bronzer. Y'all don't have to do this because we did already go in with some green bronzer, but I like bronzer. So I'm going to just lightly. All right, now I'm going to go back in with my double-sided beauty blender. Now this side I'm going to use to blend these edges out because we don't want any harsh lines. So I'm just gonna blend. Did go off camera to do my lashes because that just takes too long. So now I'm gonna do a lip. For my lip liner, I'm gonna be using the Sephora collection shade Molasses. This is something else I picked up during the Sephora sale. This is the Dior Stellar Gloss. The Stellar Gloss in the shade Diorsolight. You know what though? I can't not top this off with Fenty Beauty Fussy. So that's it, y'all. That's the look. If you guys have any questions about any products that I used today, make sure you leave it down below in the comment section. Yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on those post notifications. Until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.